How to manage Lalal.ai account settings. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account using your registered email address or connected service. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and hover over the user icon or timer. From the drop-down menu, click on Profile. Here you can manage your account details such as your email address, subscription information, and more. You can also check your plan details and update your personal info. If you want to upgrade or cancel your plan, you will find those options under the subscription section. And that's it. Now you know how to manage Lalal.ai account setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.